Whoa, look at Mama. Atta baby. Go way out there, way over there. Woo! There you go. Cash, you go a little bit further down, okay? Go ahead, mijo. Atta baby. No, you gotta reel it in fast. You gotta reel it in fast. Get him, mijo, reel it in. You get him? You got him, Cash? Woo! Oh man! Cash had one! Got him, Cash, you got him! Get him in, reel him in! Oh, you got him? Oh! Where'd he go? Ooh, you got him. Reel it in, mijo, reel it in. Pull it hard like I told you. Still got him on there? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good one, Papa. Oh, he came off. God. No, it came off. God, he had a good one. Whoa, look at Mama. Oh my gosh, baby. Holy cow. Remember to grab the line. Grab the line and just swing it in. I know, I just saw it, baby. God. Oh my gosh. Guys, we were sitting here fishing and Kimber just caught herself a 19-inch mouth close, probably 3.5 pounds or so. Check that chunk out.
Mama, can I hold it?
All right, guys, if you hung around this long, I hope you enjoyed the video. Big shout out to the wife. This was back in October and she was preggo at the time, but she was a trooper, came through for the family, and actually took big bass. We had such a freaking blast on this trip. We loved it. The boys love camping, but appreciate the support, appreciate you watching, and hang around for the end of these clips. We actually got a picture of our little girl now. So again, guys, we'll catch you guys on the next one, and thanks for watching.